Hi there, this is Bob from Bob's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite movies. It's the 1976 classic, Silver Streak. It stars Gene Wilder, Jill Clayburg, and Richard Pryor. The train itself is maybe another character in this movie because it plays a pretty big part, and if you watch it, you'll see why. I like this movie a lot. I've probably seen it at least twice a year since it's come out, and that's 46 years now. So I've seen it almost 100 times, maybe even more than 100 times, because sometimes I watch it a couple of times in a week, but it's really good. And the best part is it's available to watch for free right now on YouTube. It's a harder movie to find. I have never seen it on Netflix or Hulu, but every now and then YouTube will put it up for about a month, and it came out November 1st in 2022, so it'll be here for the next 4 weeks. If you get a chance, watch it. I think you'll like it. If you've never seen it, I really think you'll like it, but if you haven't seen it in a while, watch it again and maybe get some ideas to recreate the train in the movie, which is what I did. If you want to see how I repainted some O-scale trains to look like the locomotives and the passenger cars in this movie, go back to the Bob's Workshop archives here on YouTube, and you will see how I made them. I usually use Williams or Lionel equipment, and I've customized a lot of trains to look like the ones in this movie. It's not too hard to do. If it's something you'd like to do, you can do it too. It's pretty easy. I think you'll like the movie, and if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching, because this has been Bob's Workshop talking about Silver Streak. Take care. I'm done. It's one of the harder movies to find. And Gene Wilder gets into some trouble, and where am I going with this? This is a film where a murder mystery happens, and this one sucks. Locomotives and the passenger cars. Oh man. I talk about the materials needed, where I was found. Richard Pryor. Like Netflix or Hulu, but it's available for free, and that really sucks. This one stars Gene Wilder, Jill Clayburg. I suck at this. Silver Streak is back on YouTube. My point is, I like trains, so I like this movie so much that I took some... That's just fucking horrible.